When you look at a map, it's easy to find it. But understanding it, that's not so easy. Because every year, millions of people from around the world travel there. They walk through its cities. They relax on its beaches. They watch its football. But very few people realize just how important this country has become in the global economy. And more importantly, this country is quietly rising. Today, we're diving into the story of one of Europe's most fascinating economic transformations, Spain. When people think of Spain, the same images usually come to mind: sunshine, football, vacations, the crowded streets of Barcelona, the lively squares of Madrid, the beaches of the Mediterranean coast. But here's something interesting. Behind those images stands one of the world's largest economies. In fact, Spain has become not only one of Europe's most important economic centers, but one of the most significant in the world. So how did it happen? How did a country that struggled through major economic crises manage to rise again? And why are so many investors looking at Spain once more? To understand this story, we need to go back a little. The world is being shaken by a financial crisis. Banks are struggling, companies are shrinking, unemployment is rising rapidly, and Spain becomes one of the countries hit the hardest in Europe. For young people especially, the future looked uncertain. At the time, many experts believed the country would need years, perhaps decades, to fully recover. But sometimes countries are a lot like people. Their toughest moments can become the beginning of their greatest transformations. But what really makes an economy strong? Tourism? Yes, but not tourism alone. In fact, that's one of the biggest misconceptions people have about Spain. Many assume its economy depends entirely on tourism. The reality is very different. Automobile manufacturing, finance, renewable energy, construction and infrastructure, agricultural technology, logistics, and a rapidly growing technology sector. All of these play a major role in Spain's economy. Now, here's a small surprise. Most people know about Germany's automotive strength. But what about Spain? Many don't realize that Spain is one of Europe's largest vehicle producers. Millions of vehicles are manufactured there every year, and many of them are exported around the world. So Spain isn't just welcoming tourists, it's also an important part of the global manufacturing supply chain. But here's where things get even more interesting. One of the most important sectors shaping the future economy is energy, especially renewable energy. And Spain is in a very strong position in that race. Think about it. Vast areas with abundant sunshine, major solar energy investments, large-scale wind power projects, billions of dollars being invested in energy infrastructure. All of this is turning Spain into a key player in Europe's energy transition. While many countries are still discussing energy independence, Spain has already built significant advantages in this area. Now, let me ask you a question. Is a country's strength determined only by its economy? Not really. Sometimes geography can be just as important, and Spain is one of the best examples of that. Take a close look at the map. The Mediterranean on one side, the Atlantic Ocean on the other, North Africa just across the water, and one of Europe's strategic gateways. That's not just a geographic detail, that's strategic power. Throughout history, countries that controlled major trade routes gained enormous advantages. And today, things aren't very different. Ports, maritime trade, logistics hubs, energy corridors, international corporations. Spain sits right at the intersection of these networks. That's one of the reasons why its geopolitical importance has been growing steadily in recent years. Here's a surprising fact. Spain is one of the most visited countries on Earth. In some years, the number of visitors exceeds the country's entire population. Just think about that for a moment. More people visit the country than actually live there. That's not just a tourism success story, that's global attraction. People come, they spend money, companies invest, brands grow, and the economy keeps moving forward. Of course, no rise comes without challenges. Spain faces important obstacles of its own: an aging population, housing affordability issues, global competition, the impact of artificial intelligence on the workforce, and a rapidly changing global economy. But what separates strong nations from the rest isn't perfection, it's their ability to adapt, and Spain's performance in recent years shows exactly that. Perhaps the most fascinating part of this story is this. Spain is not a country that projects power loudly. It's more like a quiet engine, growing a little more each year, attracting more investment, expanding its influence, and by the time the world fully realizes what's happening, its rise may already be complete. That's why seeing Spain as nothing more than a vacation destination would be a mistake. Because today, Spain is one of Europe's most important economic and geopolitical players, and it wouldn't be surprising at all if its influence becomes even greater over the next decade. So what do you think? Could Spain become one of Europe's most influential powers in the years ahead? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoy content about global powers, rising economies, and the countries shaping the future of our world, don't forget to subscribe to Atlas Intelligence and like this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.